I'm Avigat, and today in this video we'll be learning a little about Java and making our first ever Java code. So first of all, to start off, you need an IDE, or basically a coding environment, and for that you can use many softwares, and there are many apps like IntelliJ or Eclipse or any other app, but I'll be using BlueJ, and yeah, that's what I'll be using for this tutorial and for any of my other Java tutorials. So you can also install that. And after installing BlueJ, you can just open BlueJ and it will take you to this page. It'll be a blank page. It won't be filled with these different classes, but it'll be a blank page. So right click and you will get an option called as new class or new package. So click on new package, don't click on new class, because if you click on new class you will start um, there'll be classes made over here itself, which you don't want. Create a new package to keep everything organized, and um, it will help group things together. So create a package. So over here I'm just naming the package code with Avigat. Okay, so in this package I will have all the codes that I'll put in my tutorials. I won't have any other different code. So that's what it helps in. It helps grouping and differentiating codes from each other. So I'll click on OK, and then it will make a new package. So now if I open it, it will take me to this blank workspace where I can um, either click new class over here, or I can right click and click new class and name it. It doesn't matter what you name your class over here, you can name it anything, and just press OK. Over here there's this box that comes up, and this is where you'll be writing your code. So you open this box and it will take you to this page. Everything over here is pretty useless except the first line, which tells you about which package you're in. So delete everything else, you don't need it. And you're gonna start off by writing class. So this class belongs to this package. So I'll just name the class. So as you can see, over here I named it some random stuff, but over here I'll actually name it something. I'll write first underscore code. Okay, and now I will give an opening brace, and then I will write this statement: public static void main, followed by some brackets. And what this basically means is that public means that you can access this from anywhere in the code. Static means that we can call this method directly using the class name without having to create an object. And void is basically the return type, and main is the method name. So that was public static void main. So give another opening brace right here, and give an enter. As you can see, there is this color differentiation. So first it's green and then it's yellow. It basically formats it for you, and it gives you the tabs. Like you don't even need to give a tab or anything or any spaces. It does it for you. So the next thing you need to write is system dot out dot println. And what this does is that whatever you put inside of it, it will print it. So that will be our first program. So over here I've created brackets, and I'll um, write a semicolon right after it, and inside that I will write double quotes, and not single quotes, just double quotes. And inside this I'll write hello world. That will be our first program, and give an enter. So now our system.out.println is completed, and our code is completed, but not yet. We need to give the closing braces. So I will give a closing brace and another one. So as you can see, when I'm clicking on each brace, it's it's highlighting and selecting the corresponding brace. The when I'm clicking the opening brace, it's selecting the closing brace along with it, and that basically means that it's properly matched and it's properly balanced, the braces. And yeah, so now after writing the code, I'm going to compile it, and it says no syntax errors. That means your code is fine and it's good to go. So now go back to this um, to your package, code with Avigat or whatever you named your package, and right click on the box, and you'll get an option of void main. So click on void main, and it will open a terminal window, and over here you will see your output, hello world. So guys, that was your first ever Java code, and hope you learned how to print something, and hope you enjoyed. So please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.